Hey Kaysan, magandang araw. Our project for today is our DIY water fountain. And if you're gonna buy those water fountain from the store, it will cost you 2 grand to 3 grand. So what I'm planning to do is I'm gonna make my own. So I bought this 9,000 gallons per minute, I think, and it cost me 250 Canadian dollar. And I bought a little bit of fittings in here, probably cost me 20 bucks. And this is what I did here. So I bought this 3-inch fitting to 2-inch adapter, and then 2 adapter to 1.25 inches, 1.25 inches up to here. The reason why I put 1.25 inches here, because of the fittings on this plan A I have. This is my plan A. I'm using this, I bought this umbrella stand, hoping it will work. Now it will float, hoping it will float. We'll see on a test trial we're going to do. So yeah, I plugged the outlet, had the hole, seal it up, and my goal is I can quick attach it. This is my plan A. If this doesn't work, I'll do my plan B. I'll show you what my plan B is. So just screw it in just like so, and same thing in here, screw it in just like so. Alright, and my plan is this is gonna be my fountain diffuser, or my fountain head. It's just a cap, and I'm gonna put some holes in it. Few holes, one big hole in the middle and few holes on the side, so it will, sprinkler on different sides. So it's gonna be screwed in on the top. And if I want to change the design of the output, I have another one in here, another setup, so I can change different side, and I'm just gonna change it and put it in. So there's no fixed head, so I can change whatever design I want at the end. So this is my plan A. Hopefully this little guy here will hold the weight of the pump. The pump is a little bit heavy, probably 9 to 10 pounds. Hopefully it will work. But if not, this is gonna be my plan B. Kiddie pool. So I'm gonna be filling up with styrofoam, spray foam it, and it will grow hopefully up to here. And then I'll pre-drill a hole, attach this section here, and for sure that would hold it. All right, let's go out and test it. All right, here we go. This is our floating test. Hopefully this guy will float. If not, go back to the drawing board. Well, we'll have to remove this guy here. Fly, my little birdie, fly. All right, he's flying now. All right, let's see if it would work. Oh. see. Look at it. It does work! Yeah! But I'm wet. So let's keep it on plan A and I'll finalize everything. Hey Kaysan, now we know that it works. My plan A works. Now I'm gonna make our the fountain head. So what I did is grab some drill bits and holes, and I'm just gonna wing it. I don't know my strategy is, but I'm just gonna keep on drilling as much holes I can get out of this, and I'll let you know. So this is the holes that I made. A bunch of holes, one big one in the middle, so that the water gonna go straight up, and few little, like one medium size here, smaller ones, and so forth and so on. So hopefully this thing would work. Now I use this chamfer drill. I'm just gonna chamfer all the edges. So this is the final touch. Always clean your adapter before you put in all this ABS cement. Don't smell it. It's not good for you. Yeah, don't smell it. Yeah, it's not good for you. Don't smell it. No. All right, that's about it. That's the last touch, and this is where it goes. Final piece of the puzzle. Just like so. So we're heading back to the pond again. Oh, before that, I will have to find something to tie this one up. Maybe I was thinking if I could tie this one here, go and find a bigger weight at the bottom. It's like an anchor. Anchor it down so that it will not move back and forth. So you know what? Let's do that one first. See you shortly. Look what I got, mommy. An anchor. Yes. So I got this mini anchor from my old little skitty boat, mini boat. So hopefully it will work. So go stick to the ground, and yeah, we'll see. This is just too light. My pond is around 20 to 25 feet. So I don't know, it's a little bit short, but that's the reason why it's called DIY. We can, we'll just grab it from wherever we can find stuff around the house and put it all together. Let's see. So my plan is, come here, mama, is to tie it somewhere in here so that it will not move back and forth, so it's just gonna be steady in the middle. And eventually the next project I'm gonna do is I have to extend this wire. This wire here, it came only, it looks like 20 feet, but I need more than that. So I have another extension here. A longer extension. I'm gonna add it later on. But for now, I'm just so excited.
like kind of slowly but surely. But also you're near the pushing wavy thingy. The H2O. H2O giver. I don't know. Close to it though. Let it be free.
Okay, try and plug it in, Mel.
Where is it?
Underneath.
Underneath? What? This video sip is right there. Oh my god! Daddy was bad! It's a joyride! It got wet! Oh wow,
my.
it's good. It works well.
And it works.
We'll have to take it out, put some bigger anchor in it.
A bigger
and it
anchor?
works.
Yeah. We definitely need one.
Okay, these are update. So I changed my weight, my anchor weight to blocks from the bricks, and I also extended my cable so that they can go around 50 feet longer. So that's my update, and we're heading to the pond.
Okay.
Should it stay there?
I'm just gonna fix one of those. Is it moving?
Kind of. Not really though. Slowly. I guess it's moving to where it thinks it wants to move. It should stay right there. It's saying it should stay right there. Saying that's good enough for me. It's what it's saying.
This whole YouTube channel should be about you.
What? What? What is he doing? Fixing something.
He's fixing it so it will sink because it keeps on floating.
Scared me.
Unplug it, unplug it.
Sorry, it scared me. Ah, scared me. It looks good.
That looks cool.
Yeah, where it is right now, it's good. I got a fan stroke, but that's fine.
Anchor.